Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the practical questions. These are the sample questions for internal assessment. Question number 1. Sagar's research found that the higher the salary, the higher the job satisfaction. What will be the type of correlation between salary and work satisfaction? Second, Manisha's research showed that the higher the stress level, the lower the efficiency. What kind of correlation did Manish find between stress level and efficiency? Number 3. In studying the effect of classical music on blood pressure, what kind of variable is the classical music? Question 4. The counselor allows Aarti, Rahim, Sharad and Shabana to solve the IQ test at the same time. What is the type of intelligence test used by the counselor? Question 5. Rahul studied the Army General Classification test according to the method of giving the test. Which type of intelligence test did Rahul study? Sixth one. Sandeep wants to test the intelligence of illiterate people. Depending on the type of test material, what type of intelligence test will he have to use? Number 7. Dinesh is very lonely. He avoids communicating with others. According to Carl Jung's theory, what kind of personality does Dinesh have? Question number 8. Rohan was promoted as a sales officer. According to Carl Jung's theory, what kind of personality does Rohan have? Number 9. Kavita constantly feels sad and negative. Which of the elements from 5-factor theory of personality is reflected in her personality? 10. Ganesha performed experiments to find out how many numbers a person can see accurately at a glance. On which element of attention did Ganesh perform experiment? Number 11. Ramesh experimentally checked that a person could not concentrate on writing due to intense noise. On which element of attention did Ramesh perform experiment? 12. Vijay could not read the German newspaper because he did not know the German language. What does Vijay need to have in order to have perception about the text of German newspaper? 13. Sunil insults his classmate in front of everyone without any reason. What kind of emotional abuse is this? 14. Rina deliberately ignores her sister's words. What kind of emotional abuse is this? Number 15. Abhay has not been able to focus on his work for the last 1 year. He also finds it difficult to remember important issues. In time, he was diagnosed with mental illness. Identify the criteria used to diagnose mental disorders in this example. 16. Amreen is afraid of the small and closed space, so she can't travel by car. In time, she was diagnosed with a mental illness. What mental disorder did Amreen have? 17. Sakshi expressed her fears and anxieties about her husband's cancer to Seema. Seema tried to reassure her. Identify the steps in the Algae model taken by Seema to provide mental health first aid. Number 18. Swati told her brother Rahul he thought the thoughts of her own death that kept coming to her mind. Rahul advised her to go to the counselor. Identify the steps in the Algae model taken by Rahul to provide mental health first aid. 19. Akash immediately decided to distribute food packets to the earthquake victims. Identify the element of empathy shown by Akash. 20. Even after the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan showed great economic progress. Identify the type of flexibility shown by Japan. Students, these are the sample questions for internal assessments. The answers for these questions are: first one, positive correlation; second, negative correlation; third, independent variable; number 4, group test of intelligence; 5, group test of intelligence; 6, non-verbal test of intelligence; 7, introvert; number 8, extrovert; 9, neuroticism; 10, span of attention; 11, distraction; 12, understanding of German language; 13, verbal abuse; 14, non-verbal abuse; 15, dysfunction; 16, phobia; 17, give support and information; 18, encourage appropriate professional help; 19, social skills; and 20, resilience. Students, write down the questions in your notebook and write the answers properly. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.